Hey everyone, if you're dealing with slow download speeds on the Epic Games Launcher, I've got a few quick fixes to speed things up. Let's dive in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher. Click on your username in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down to Throttle Downloads and set it to 100,000. Next, head to your Start menu and search for Firewall and Network Protection. Open it and click Allow an app through Firewall. Hit Change Settings, then allow another app. Click Browse. Navigate to where Epic Games is installed, usually on C Program Files x86, Epic Games, Launcher, Engine, Binaries, Win64 and select the Epic Games Launcher.exe file. Add it and press OK. Finally, search for Device Manager in the Start menu and open it. Expand Network Adapters. Find your network adapter, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and ensure you have the latest version installed. And that's it. These steps should help boost your download speeds on Epic Games Launcher. If this video helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.